Hello everybody, my name is Rodolfo Roman and I will be your instructor for the class. Welcome to System Analysis and Design. In this video, I will show you the Blackboard course and guide you through the design so you will know where is the information and how to follow up with everything that we have there. So let's get started. As you can see, the first thing that you will see will be my information. In that information I have my name, where I'm located, and the three different ways to reach me. The first one and the principal one is going to be to Pronto Instant Messenger. Pronto Instant Messenger is a chat platform where we have a room for the class, and from there you can actually collaborate between everybody, or you can actually send me a private message if something needs to be more discreet. Right now, at the moment that I'm recording this video, the room from the class is not created yet. They're working on it, but it will look like something similar as this one. This is for another class, but it's pretty much a platform where you have the main group chat where you can actually collaborate and send it, and you can send me a direct message when you select me. Also, you can actually enable the extra notification if you want. That way you will be able to receive notifications in your computer if that's what you need. But I will recommend to actually download in your mobile devices. It exists for iOS, for Android, doesn't matter. And have the application in your phone. It's going to be better and faster way to communicate between the class. So I recommend to everybody to have it. Another way to reach me is through my phone number. If I'm not there or not able to answer, please leave a message. I will try to get back to you or send my email. Try to reach back to you as soon as possible. After that, you will find the essential course information, the syllabus, schedules and course policies, the student technical resource and support, and the accessibility policies and statements. As you can see, the accessibility policy statement, if you need it to follow up or you need more information, here is everything that we need to be guided. In the student technical resource and support, what we have actually is the Blackboard chat and the different student support area, distance learning, the help desk, student services, etc. with the different phone numbers that you can actually reach them. In the syllabus, schedule and course policies, you will find the syllabus for the course where you can actually download it, or you can have the link for the syllabus online where we will discuss the course schedule, the grading policies, late or make-up work policies for the course, and information for disability services. Everything is going to be there. You will have the topic online too, from each week that we'll have, and what subject we are going to cover in one of those weeks. And we have the course grade. And it's a really simple course grade. The way that I will be grading the course is just pretty much 20% for everything. 20% for not grading, for non-programming assignments like quizzes, discussion, stuff like that. 20% for programming assignments. 20% for each test. I will have 2 main tests during the course, and 20% for a final project. But that project is going to be pretty much around the end of the course, but doesn't matter, and don't worry about that. You will have the tools in order to develop and have a really good project there. And then we have the essential course information at the top. And here, the first thing that you will see is meet my instructor information. I will lay down pretty much my resume, so you will know my qualifications, you will know my experience, you will know my certifications and my teaching experience too, and you will see when I'm qualified to teach this course. So if you are interested to there, you can actually go on my resume. But also I have listed the books for this course. In this semester, we're going to have 2, the Learn Python 3 the hard way and Python Crash Course. You have the information from there if you want to buy it, but I recommend to everybody just get the free version that we have available through the college website. And I have the links in the description area. Just log in with your Jagger credential and you will have access to the free books. But also, if you want to keep those books in your personal bookshelf, you can actually purchase, and those are the information for those. Also, for the Learn Python 3 the hard way, there's a companion videos that are really good. The second link is about those companion videos. you can actually reach them and see those two. We have the program, the PLOs and the CLO, the program learning outcome and the course learning outcomes for this course. It's really important to everybody have a desktop, a PC, or a Mac computer. It doesn't matter, it could be a laptop too. I will show you how to have the same development environment. Doesn't matter if you are a PC user or Mac user, you will have the same development environment for both, and you can actually follow up with the course. It's really important to have a microphone to be integrated through USB in a way to communicate between us in the collaboration times. And of course, broadband internet connection. That way we can actually interact and chat in the online meeting whenever we have an online meeting. We have some guides on etiquette, how to behave online, the basic principles, and the student services and technical support information. So after you pretty much follow all this information, that is the start here, you go with the course content. In the course content you will see each week is going to be open, and in each one of those weeks you will see a different videos, video labs sometimes, video lectures, and the information that you need to follow up. For example, we have the learning activities where you can actually have the information that you will need to be doing, the assignments that you need to be follow up or doing for that, different videos, files, links to discussions that you need to be doing for every one of those weeks. And all the information is going to be in each one of those week folders. Something really important, the week is pretty much laid out as Monday to Friday. As you can, in this case for the first week is Tuesday to Friday, because those the days that we're going to be starting. But the assignments inside this folder, I pretty much do it through Sunday before 11:59 p.m. At least that I mentioned something different, but pretty much all the assignment the due date is going to be on Sunday just before midnight for Monday. It's really important if you have some problems or issues with your assignment, try to do it as soon as possible during the week so we can actually have more time to collaborate or to assist, or I will be able to assist you through the office hours, and we can actually get to a solution to the problems that whatever is happening there. So try not to wait at the end, but if you are busy during the week, that's why I'm leaving the due date through the Sunday. But try to do everything as soon as possible. I will try to send an announcement to everybody whenever we need to have something important, and I will try to reach everybody to prompt on instant messenger. So again, I recommend to everybody to have it. All your messages are going to be here. All the announcements and discussion, you can see the different links. Really important. Whenever you want to see your grades, just follow my grades link. The Starfish, we need to follow our Starship profile. This is one of the first assignments that we're going to be doing. And at the end, the course evaluation. I also recommend everybody to follow up in order to improve the way that we're teaching here at STC. So, just going to do everything for now. I will add an extra link here. So the office hours is going to be mainly through online classes, to the face-to-face Blackboard Collaborate. I will add the link for Blackboard Collaborate here. But if you want to come to my office, we can actually arrange something like that. So whatever questions you have or doubt, please don't hesitate to reach me. I will try to make this course as fun as possible and learn the most that we can actually to learn. Again, we are going to be focusing in Python. Python is a really simple, easy language to learn. It's going to simple. I will not say it's not a basic language. It's just a really easy language that you will see how to do really basic things, and we will move into a more complex content in the future. Even we start with a simple hello world, and we are going to be finishing doing a website, and I want to try to follow up all these subjects. Again, my name is Rodolfo Roman. This is System Analysis and Design. Happy coding, everybody.